Is your Tesla Model S charge port LED ring not lighting up? This often indicates a problem with the charge port door, the power supply, or the port's internal electronics. We'll walk you through the common causes, from stuck doors to faulty port boards, and guide you toward potential solutions. Common causes include a stuck charge port door, faulty power supply, or faulty port board. Potential solutions include checking for stuck doors and clearing obstructions, inspecting power connections, and considering professional repair for the port board. First, check your Tesla app for error codes such as charge port door open. Let's break down the charge port. It includes the motorized door, the LED ring which shows charging status, the port board that manages communication, and the power module that controls electricity flow. Most LED ring issues, around 70%, stem from a faulty port board. Corrosion or electrical shorts are typical culprits. Before calling Tesla, there are a few things you can inspect yourself. First, try a known good charger to rule out cable issues. Second, check the fuses located under the rear trunk panel. Look for blown fuses that might affect charging. If you're comfortable, use a multimeter to test for voltage at the port, but always prioritize safety and disconnect the high-voltage battery if you plan to dismantle anything further. Refer to Tesla's service manual for detailed steps. When software updates fail to fix the charge port LED issue, a hardware problem is usually the cause. This typically involves replacing the charge port assembly, especially the port board that manages power delivery and communication with the charger. The port board is faulty in about 70% of LED non-illumination cases. Official Tesla repairs for this hardware replacement average between $800 and $1,200 and may be covered under warranty for Model S vehicles up to 2020 models. While DIY repairs can be attempted with parts costing $150 to $300, Tesla strongly advises against them. Doing so risks voiding your warranty or causing additional electrical damage to the vehicle. Third-party repair services and parts are available, but proceed with caution as authenticity and quality can vary, potentially leading to further issues. For safety, always disconnect the high-voltage battery before attempting any hardware repair to avoid the risk of electric shock. Consult Tesla's service manual or a certified technician for proper procedures. A Reddit user on r/Tesla Motors shared their successful DIY repair of a non-lighting LED ring on their Tesla Model S. They identified corrosion on the port board as the culprit and replaced it following a YouTube tutorial. The user replaced the corroded port board, which was causing the LED to fail. This hands-on approach saved them hundreds of dollars compared to Tesla's official service fees. However, it's important to remember that DIY repairs involve risks and should only be attempted by those with the proper skills and knowledge to ensure safety and avoid further damage. The future of EV charging reliability points toward more software-driven solutions and modular designs. Tesla is moving to recyclable port boards, reducing repair costs. AI integration in newer models can even predict port failures before the LED fails, minimizing downtime. Keep an eye out for potential DIY kits with augmented reality, AR, repair guides in the future. Experts emphasize that while DIY repairs are possible, safety is paramount. Always prioritize official Tesla channels for repairs when possible. Charge port failures are becoming less common thanks to design improvements and proactive recalls. If your Model S is eligible, take advantage of Tesla's service programs. Experts emphasize that while DIY repairs are possible, safety is paramount. Always prioritize official Tesla channels for repairs when possible. Charge port failures are becoming less common thanks to design improvements. If your Model S is eligible, take advantage of Tesla's service programs. Remember, proactive maintenance and official repairs ensure safety and reliability.